Everyone, good evening. My name is Jalpa from NAMASTEYOG.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Sit on your mat, comfortable position, Sukhasana, Ardha Sukhasana, Padmasana, or Vajrasana. Sit straight, everyone. Anybody has a medical condition, please put on the chat box. First day, second day of period, just go easy with the exercise. So yesterday, I had already informed you all that today's session is all about the sleep cycle. It means that sometimes we get disturbed with the sleep pattern. We don't get sleep at night. So which asana we should do it to cure this problem? Come on, let's start. There are a few asanas are there. Hands by side, roll your shoulders behind. We're going to start a class with chanting of Om 3 times and prayers. Sukshma Vyayam, we are going to do it, and then a few asanas we are going to do today related to the sleep cycle. Inhale. Oh. Oh.
There is no video, ma'am.
Oh. Hands in prayers. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste everyone. Let's start the class. Anybody, am I audible? Am I visible to everyone? Just show me the thumbs up, please.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
I think so. Only you have a problem, ma'am. So you just need to check your device, please. Well, let's start with the Sukshma Vyayam. Now, keep your hands in front of you. Open your fingers. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Priyanka ji, you can do all the exercise if it is a third day of period. For today, anyways, it's going to be very simple asanas are going to be there. 6, 7, 8. Anybody can do it. 9 and 10. Close your fingers. Wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your hands by side and let's drop them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Spread your hands up and down completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Interlock your fingers in front of you, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your hands in front of your chest. Inhale at the center, twist your body towards the right side. Come back while exhaling. Come back, inhale. Exhale towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist from your waist. 8, 9, 10. Whichever side you are, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Towards the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your hands on your upper waist. Now inhale at the center. Go down, front, and open your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax yourself. Keep your hands on your knees. Now inhale at the center. Now make rotation from right to left and exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come at the center from left to right and counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come at the center now. Take your neck left to right, right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A simple back and spine stretch with your left hand. Grab your toe, knee. Look behind, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Towards the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are going to keep our legs in front of you. Spread your legs. Toes pointing towards the ceiling. Now inhale at the center, Paschimottanasana. We are going to do a simple Paschimottanasana, hands towards the chest. Inhale at the center, close to your chest. Exhale, go down, touch your toes, 10 counts. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go from your side, hold your sides of your feet, go down completely. Go from your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoever cannot hold, try to hold your ankle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax yourself. Now you're going to do variation in Paschimottanasana, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Inhale, raise both the hands up. Go down while exhaling. Come back. Place your head towards the right side of your mat. Come back, raise your hand. Again, Paschimottanasana. And go towards your left side of your mat. Come on, let's start. 1. Left and right will be 1 count. 2. Completely go down. 3. Sakshi ji, we don't have to go behind. You have to go towards your side. You have to side pe karna hai. Towards your waist. Not behind. Correct. 5. Very good, Shikha Gupta ji. Very good, Bhanu ji. Very good, Sakshi ji. Very good, Akruti ji. Kushit ji. 6. Komal ji. Very good. 7. 8. Shruti ji. Ramya ji, good. 9. 10. Whichever side, yeah, hold it there. Stay there for 10 counts. 1, 2. Rituji, why you are not doing it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go towards the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax yourself. Now keep your legs straight. Toes pointing towards the ceiling. I'm going to place my right leg, fold your right leg, place it towards the outer side of your left leg. Now with your left hand, I'm going to push my right leg towards the left side and my upper body will go towards the right side. So upper body will be right, lower body will be left. With my opposite hand, I'm going to push my other leg towards the left side. Chalo, hold it there. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 4, 5. Push your leg towards the opposite side. 7, 8. Shraddhaji, good. 9, 10. Do it towards the other side. You don't have to keep, Rituji, you don't have to keep your elbow on your knee. You have to keep it at the side like this and then you have to push it. Push karna hai. You don't have to keep it like this. You should feel a good stretch at your sides or your hamstring. Shall I do it towards the other side? Left side. Left leg will come towards the right side, outer side. Twist your upper body. Very good. Anju ji, Oppo ji, nice. Jagruti ji, good. Shilpa ji ho gaya. Do it, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No problem, sir. 9, 10. Relax. Relax yourself. Now we are going to do Mandukasana. Mandukasana will give you the release in your bloating. Sit in Vajrasana, everyone. I'm going to just get the closer. Look. It gives you the relief of stress, anxiety, depression. It can give you the good sleep. Now place your thumb inside, cover with the fingers. Now push it inward towards your lower ab, below your navel. Navel के नीचे की तरफ का जो abs रहता है, you have to pull it inward totally. Inhale at the center, exhale completely. Look up and go down. And try to place your head to the floor. 1, come back. 2, come back. Inhale at the center. Push yourself in. Exhale, go down. Come back. 3, 4, come back. 5, come back. Pull it inward. 6, come back. 7, 8, 9. Inhale while going down. Exhale. And 10. And now go slowly. Inhale at the center. Exhale, go down completely and place your head there and hold it there. Now make sure your butts are on your heels. Don't lift your butt up. Try to push your butt down and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Stay there in Vajrasana only. Straight. Now open your chest, interlock your finger behind your back. Now inhale at the center 5 times. We are going to go down and my hands will come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come up. 9, your hand should come up. And 10. Go down completely. Head to the floor. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly, slowly go into the cat pose. Harmiji, then you go easy with if you have a pain. These are exercises just to give you relief in your stress, your pain, more of a back stretch. Now we're going to go puppy pose, which is you have to stay in cat and cow. Stay in cat and cow. Slide your hands. Now slide your only chest will touch the. Slowly, slowly place your elbows down. Slowly, slowly place your chest on the floor. Now hips will be up. Place your chin on the floor. Try to touch your chest on the floor and hold it there. Your abdomen will be, it will not touch the floor. Only your chin and your chest will be on the floor and elbow. Your butt will be up. Hold. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Now slowly, slowly spread your hands. Go ahead. 2, 3. Bhanuji, very good. Very good. Sakshi ji, Akuti ji, 9, 7, 8. Nikki ji, good. No, 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 no. Sonam ji, wrong कर रहे हैं आप. 9. सोनम जी रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं आप. 9, 10.
मैम चेस्ट
भानु
जो
जी
है
रॉन्ग
वो
कर रहे
टच
हैं.
नहीं हो रहा है.
श्रुति जी नाइस. Good. Sangeeta ji, come up. One more time, we are going to do it. Anju ji, good. Slowly, slowly come up. Don't give jerk to your body. Slowly, slowly come up. Jakriti ji, lovely. One more time, we are going to do it. This asan will give you release, stress. You'll get a good sleep. Good sleep is very important for your body. How we need charger for our phone, like that way, we also need a charger. That is, a body charger is to have a good sleep. If you get a good sleep of like 6 to, not 6 also, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is mandatory for everyone. Chale, let's again do
मैम
it.
चेस्ट
Cat and
नहीं
cow
लग रहा है
pose.
मुझे. हेलो मैम.
Slowly, slowly spread your hands. Go down. Elbows down and spread your hands ahead. Go down. Chest नीचे रखिए. And hold it there. Chin and chest down. You will feel a good stretch on your back, spine. You feel the release in your anxiety. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Bhavya ji, it's wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6.